Monday the 9th of December, and it's very cold here, and it is measuring 4 degrees, but I reckon the temperature is dropping very quickly. Right, it's night time, and this is the first chance I've had to open my my advent calendar for the 9th. So let's find the 9th. I'll put the 8, close the 8th. There's the 9th. Oh, it's another little one. I bet this is going to be a thimble. This will be a thimble. Now, every time I've swapped hands, I'm doing it with my left hand, because when I use my right, I take the volume off. It's a magnetic seam guide. I bet this is the one that I've just bought. Oh, is it? It is, you know, it's a little sewing machine one, just like the one I bought. A magnetic seam guide. Well, you'll all know, if you've been watching my vlogs, you'll all know that I just bought one. So now I've got a matching, so now I have a matching pair. They're a nice little sewing machine one. Somebody asked me, Hazel, I think, a lady called Hazel, I believe, asked me if I knew where I should get one from, because she quite fancied, oh, look at, doesn't like to be next to there. Look, it's chasing it away. Oh, look at that, chasing it away. Right, so let's have a look at the women's gadgets, which is day 9. And where is day 9? Well, I've lost day 9. 20, 19, 23, 13, 10, 9, there. Oh, it's a biggish one. Again, I'm going to try and do it with my left hand, because I kept taking the sound away. Oh, now then. What's this, a wet wipe? Alcohol prep pad for professional use. Ah. Wenn es schon beim Hinsen juckt. Well, I'm going to have to look that up and see what that means. Professional pads. Well, this is actually quite good for cleaning the lenses on your camera, for cleaning your glasses, and anything that you've got that's a glass that you've got to, you know, you don't want to scratch, a lens you don't want to scratch, or even to push your laptop screen. But however, I use baby wipes to clean my laptop, to clean the dirty parts. I use my baby wipes. So this is a little alcohol pad, very nice. It's only for one use, but once you've used it, it dries out. Oh, have they given us 2? Is there 2? Oh, there's 2. Look, you've got 2 uses there. One to clean the glasses today, and one to clean the glasses in 2 days' time. Well, there you go. Look at that. I've got 2 of them, and I've got 2 of them. I really just got 1 of those, and if I put that there, I wonder if that will chase it away. Let's try. No, it doesn't. So, but watch this. I put that there, and then I put that there, and when you're bored, you can do this. You can move your paper all over the place like that. The things you do just to make yourself have some fun. So, that is the 9th of December. We've got a seam guide. Well, it's really that one, but that lets you see what it's like. And 2 alcohol pads. Very nice, very handy. They only last 1 turn only, but do you know, I've just found, I told him I didn't have his pound coin to go on the Bob the Builder machine, and look what I've just found in my pocket. Naughty grandma, naughty grandma. So anyway, I've had him, he's been stopping with us last night, took him back up this afternoon. We then took him to the doctor for his little flu squirt up his nose, and although I can't film him, I'll film a little snippet of him and me singing together, and you might be amused by it, because I always go around the streets. People look at me and smile, because I go around singing songs as I'm pushing the pushchair, and I'll go around saying, "What can you see? What can you see? Can you see a big red car over there?" And he goes, "Yeah, yeah." This is your favourite song, is it? Right, ready? When the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The driver on the bus says, move along please, move along please, move along please. The driver on the bus says, move along please, all day long. The mummies on the bus go, shh, shh, shh. Oh yes, the babies on the bus. The babies on the bus say wah wah wah, wah wah wah, wah wah wah. The babies on the bus say wah 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 all day long. The mummies on the bus say shh shh shh, shh shh shh, shh shh shh. The mummies on the bus say shh 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 all day long.
The mummies on the bus go
Shh 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 shh.
the daddy's on the bus go chatter chatter chatter.
Chatter chatter chatter.
And boys on the bus go chatter 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 all
Day long.
The
The
mummies on the bus go blink 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 blink.
money on the bus goes plink 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 all day long. The
Daddy's on the bus
say I love you, I love you, I love you. The daddies on the bus say I love you all day long. Any more?
No.
No? Anyway, I'm quite tired, so I'm not going to hang about much, and I want to get caught up on my vlogs because I'm all over the place with them. That will be the last time I'm babysitting for till Boxing Day. So I'm going to have an early night, going to catch up on my sleep, and I'll see you in the morning. So bye.